Hey, what's going on YouTube? Jamo TV HD for them. Yeah. Review time yet again. Don't know. We've got this box, this desk. As you can see by the title, it's some kind of desk thing. But we're gonna do a little time lapse of me building it to see how easy it is. But right now it's looking very mad. So yeah, let's see Wagwan.
Yeah, so this was bare hard, fam. Like at first I was just putting the pieces together, and then man didn't realize like they were just falling apart, and I was like, what is really good? But then I realized there were these little rubber band pieces, so I basically had to take the whole thing apart, put the rubber bands on the edges of these little wooden bits, and then yeah, it was good to go after that.
Right, so that is made. This is what it looks like. Final product and that. Let me just show you a couple different angles. The time lapse made it look like it was bare quick, fam, but nah, it was a bit of a struggle still, and I didn't even realize that because there were like rubber bands and things on it. But yeah, let me show you the angles in it. Obviously, this is the front. This is it from the side angle. As you can see, you got the little rubber bands around here kind of thing. These are what locks it in place. I didn't know that, look, I lost one. But I didn't know that it came with rubber bands, so obviously this just kept slipping off, bruv, and I was like, what is actually going on? Now, obviously, this is it from the back. Not really much going on at the back, but as you can see, it's got these little cable holes here, so that if you do have something plugged in on the desk, you can just thread it out through these three cables. So that's kind of cool. And that's all that right there. And then you got the left hand side as well, which obviously you can see the little rubber bands and things. So yeah, let me put some stuff on it and see how it goes. Wait, I forgot to show you about the little drawer thing. That's the little drawer. Done know. Made the little drawer for that. Slide that back in. I don't know. There's just a little hole here, but it's not. It should. Is there a handle? Maybe there is a handle that came with it, but I don't know. But I feel like there should be a handle here or something. Yeah, there you go, guys. Finished product and all that. Moved my desk onto that desk. So it's a desk within a desk kind of thing. I've tried to make things fit wherever I could. Like you got the switch games down the bottom there, got some little undercover or under, I don't know, whatever it's called, storage. My projector fits in there, which is kind of cool, and so does my little keyboard. Got my McDonald's curry sauce, just in case it gets sweet and curry in here, you know, don't know. Headphone stand up there, but I might change that for something else. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's calm. The rest of my desk looks dead. But this is cool. This is cool, and I think it's under £15. So yeah, shout out to the seller for hooking it up. It's supposed to be for a monitor, but obviously my monitor's up here, so like yeah, man, don't really need that. But yeah, you can make it for something else. Don't know. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Jamo out.